Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 7, today we are going to see a new chapter in history, the third chapter, that is the Delhi Sultans. On first, how Delhi became as a capital. On the second chapter, we learn about the Kaveri Delta region and about the South Indian kingdoms. In this chapter, we are going to learn the Northern India kingdoms and how Delhi became as a capital. In the 12th century, Delhi became as a capital and more popular among the all because the Muslim kings they captured the Delhi and they developed and they show the power of the Delhi. Where all the Muslim leaders, all the Muslim kings, they were called as commonly they were all were called as sultanates. So the people those are ruling the Delhi, they were called as Delhi Sultans. On first, Tomar Rajaputs, they were ruling the Delhi. The Chauhan of Ajmer, he captured Delhi from the Tomar Rajputs. Then the dynasty and the kingdom was handed over to Mulmuk dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty and Sindhi dynasty and Lodi dynasty. After this, during this period, Delhi became as a most popular commercial center and the kings and the rulers of that period, they developed the temples, coins and they all were called as Delhiwala, the rulers of the Delhi. In 1206 to 1290, the Mulmuk dynasty, the kings were Kutabuddin Aibak, Shamuddin Istamis, Raiza, Hizayuddin Balban. They are the kings belongs to Mulmuk dynasty. Balban was defeated by the Khiljis and it was handed over to the Khiljis dynasty in 1290 to 1320. The Khilji dynasty was in the control of Jalaluddin Khilji. The most popular kings, the Jalaluddin Khilji, was defeated by the Alauddin Khilji. In the period of Alauddin Khilji, it was a good period where the Delhi was developed more. Then the Khilji dynasty was defeated by the Tughlaq dynasty in 1320 to 1414. The Tughlaq dynasty was in the control till the 1414. Then it was handed over to the Sindhi dynasty and the Sindhi dynasty didn't have that much long period of time. The Khizr Khan, he the only Sindhi dynasty ruler. Then it was handed over and it was captured by the Lodi king Balbul Lodi. Yeah, this is about the rulers of the Delhi. In page number 31, you can see the table, the rulers of the Delhis. And finding about the Delhi Sultans. How we know about the Delhi Sultans? How we are able to know the history of the Delhi Sultans? On that period, how the king they lived and what they built. And in this, in Delhi Sultans, their histories and their achievements were known by Tariq and Tawarik. Tariq means a singular and Tawarik means plural. All the histories were written in Persian language because they all are Muslim kings. So, the history was written in Persian language. The Tawariks belongs to the secretaries, administrators and poet, where they recounted the events. They all will recount the events and they will frame as a history and they will write and they will inscript anything. Most of the Tawariks were lived in the cities, hardly in village. Right? Advise the rulers and governs by the birth, right and the gender distinctions. The Tawariks, they will help and they will give the advice to the king based on the administration and means only one girl named called Razia, she belongs to the Mulmuk dynasty. She was the only girl in the Muslim kingdom who ruled the Delhi. So that on that period of time, gender distinction was more popular. So the Tawariks, they advised the king to not to do and give the birthright to all the people and about the gender distinction. The expansion of Garrison town. On first moving to the Garrison town, we want to know what is Garrison town and the hinterland. Garrison town is nothing but a settlement of the soldiers in one place in a fort is called Garrison town, and the hinterland where the goods and the services are supplied in a large manner. In the early 13th century, it was in the control of Muslims, the Garrison town. The Garrison town is a Bengal and the Sindhi. The Muslims, the sultans, they expand their administration and their empire so that they have captured the Bengal and the Sindh, the garrison town of Bengal and the Sindh. But it is so far from them. So the Mongol invasion from Afghan was more difficult for them to face. So the Ghiyazuddin Balban, Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq, these three kings play a vital role in the expansion of the Delhi Sultan Kingdom all over the northern India. So thank you children. Have a great day.